Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 2008. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, climate control along with this lovely panoramic glass roof above my head. You've also got rear parking aids, and that does include a colour camera as well as satellite navigation. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howards are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howards Click and Collect service or our Howards Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.